Comparison of characteristics of normal and cancer cell. So this can be expected as a differentiate question. Differentiate normal and cancer cell. So we can see mitosis of these two cells. In normal cells, the mitotic division will leads to two daughter cells, and the daughter cells will be exactly same as the parent cell. But meanwhile, in cancer cell, the mitosis will leads to multiple daughter cells, and the cells will not be having any resemblance like their parent cell. Next is about the appearance. In normal cells, they will be homogeneous, that is, size, shape, and growth pattern will be similar. But in cancer cells, the cells shows pleomorphism. Otherwise, they can be heterogeneous. For example, the size will be different, the shape will be different, and the growth pattern also will be different. And next, the normal cells will be having cohesiveness. That means it will stick together, and always it follows a regular pattern. But cancer cells is not cohesive. They will not stick together. They are able to move forward. They can move through in between, above, below, or it can go to the blood circulation and lymphatic circulation. And next, the size of the nucleus will be uniform. Meanwhile, in cancer cells, the nucleus size will be larger and more prominent nucleus. And in normal cells, there will be an organized pattern of growth, and in cancer cell, there is no organization. And in normal cells, the stem cells will be mixed with the tissues, normal tissues, and in between tissues, a group of tissues, we can see stem cells. And along with stem cells, we can also find well differentiated cells. For example, a group of muscle cells will be having stem cells also. Meanwhile, in cancer cell, there will be anaplasia. Anaplasia means lack of differentiation. All the cells will be immature abnormal cells. Next is growth pattern. So normal cell do not invade to the adjacent tissue, but abnormal cell always invade adjacent tissue. Normal cells proliferate in response to specific stimuli. For example, we have a wound in our leg. So in order to repair the wound, the stimuli will be producing, and until the repair is over, the stimuli will be there. After complete repair, the particular stimuli will stop. Then further proliferation will not happen. But here in cancer cell, that will not happen. Proliferate in response to abnormal stimuli. Grow in ideal conditions. Normal cell need adequate nutritions as well as adequate oxygen supply and blood supply. But here cancer cell doesn't need that. We have studied about contact inhibition. Normal cell always exhibit a contact inhibition, but cancer cell is not having that particular function.